Hello everybody, welcome back to the HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix battery drain on your Samsung Galaxy M15. So first, let's unlock the device. Next, what we're going to do is we're going to go to the battery settings first. So let's go over to settings. Now let's go over to the battery, and the battery is right here. Now what we're gonna do in the battery is go over and check the apps with the highest usage. So this is the Google Play services, but you cannot do anything to it. We got the Play Store, but my Play Store is already limited to go to sleep. And of course you guys can also go to background usage limits just here and then change the deep sleeping apps. So you guys can add some apps here that you don't want to see in the background. Just like this, click add, and now they are here. Of course, you also got the sleeping apps, but they will run in the background occasionally. What you guys want to do next is delete some bloatware. So if you are not using global goals, then simply uninstall it. If you're not using, let's say, notes, uninstall it, and do the same, let's say, for calculator, even though it's not bloatware. But bloatware is basically some games that you just don't play. Of course, you can delete some members, and yeah, you can get rid of some apps right here. After you do that, what you guys want to do is install AccuBattery. So we're gonna install it on the Google Play Store. Go to search and search for AccuBattery. Now go over to AccuBattery and click install. And now let's click open. Here what we're going to do is we're going to go over here, and here we have the battery design capacity, but we know this phone is at 6,000, so the app got it wrong. Now the 6,000, let's click finish, and we got everything here. Here, as you guys can see, we got the health of the battery, like over time. But to actually get some results here, you need to charge your phone 5 times from less than 15% to 100. So here you guys can check it out, see your battery health, and see if there's something like an error, for an example. So here, if you have some red errors, then you need to go to the authorized service center to get your device checked up and fixed. Now what you guys want to do is restart the phone. This is a quick system refresh, so we're gonna press the power button, the volume down button at the same time. Now tap restart and tap again to restart the phone. So I'll see you guys in a second once the phone is restarted. After the restart, what you guys want to do is, if there are still some errors and your battery is getting drained, go to the authorized service center, because there may be an error that just a user or the AccuBattery cannot find. So make sure to go and get that checked out. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.